To solve rational equations, the first thing we need to do is get common denominators for everything so that we can get rid of the denominators and then be able to solve the actual equations. So here, in order to find what the common denominator is going to be, first we need to factor this trinomial over here. So we'll have something times something is x squared, so x times x, and something times something is negative 10, so positive 2 and negative 5, or negative 2 and positive 5. And then whatever we put here that multiplies to be negative 10 needs to add to be negative 3. So of these pairs, it looks like negative 5 and positive 2 are what we're looking for. So let's take that. We'll make our space back up here. We'll get x plus 2 times x minus 5, and that'll be the factored version of that trinomial. Now we can see our common denominator is going to be x plus 2 times x minus 5, because this can become that, and this can become that, and this is already that. So let's make this one by multiply top and bottom by x minus 5, and we'll get 3 times x minus 5 over our common denominator. And this one is multiplied by x plus 2 top and bottom, so that's going to be 4 times x plus 2 over our common denominator, and that'll be equal to 2 over our common denominator. And the reason I didn't bother to write it in is because now that we have our common denominator, if we multiply both sides by it, it goes away. So once we've kind of found it here, we can actually just sort of scratch it out and multiply each of the factors on top by whatever they're missing from that common denominator. So now we have 3 times x minus 5 minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 2. So we'll go ahead and distribute these out. We'll get 3x minus 15 minus 4x minus 8 equals 2. Combine all our terms. We'll subtract 2 from this side over here and combine these two. We have negative 15 minus 8 is negative 23 minus 2 is negative 25. And then we have 3x minus 4x is negative x. So that's equal to 0. And then we can multiply everything by negative 1. We'll get x plus 25 equals 0. So now x equals negative 25.